Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Today we're creating this gorgeous cold shoulder circle dress. So let's begin. You will need to use a 60-inch wide fabric for this project. Begin by folding your fabric in half from the corner. Ensure all the sides are level and meet up nicely. Use a top that fits you loosely and position at the highest part of the triangle. Take your time with positioning the top carefully. Once you're happy, carefully cut around the neckline and the shoulders. Add extra for seam allowance. Pin the shoulders to prevent the fabric from moving. Next, move the lower part of the armhole to the other side of the fabric, just like so. Then carefully cut out the armhole. You now have the front bodice pattern. Pin the sides in place to enable you to cut out the hem of the dress. My fabric was so slippery, so I had to use objects to secure it down. Ensure the bottom of the fabric is level. I couldn't fit all the material in the table that I used, so I had to lay the fabric on the floor. To cut out the hem, measure your desired length and cut out the bottom of the dress. Measure from the shoulders down. Once you're done, cut out another piece in the exact same way. So you should now have the front and back pattern pieces. We need to alter the front bodice piece slightly. First, extend into the armhole by about 2 inches and cut. Then extend down the neckline by another 2 inches and cut. For the back pattern piece, extend the neckline again by 2 inches and cut. Once you're happy, open up the pattern pieces and position them right sides together and pin at the shoulders. For the sleeves, cut 2 pattern pieces with the measurements on screen. Then take your top and position the armhole on the non-folded edge. Position the top just above the halfway point of the armhole curve and about 2 to 3 inches in, and carefully cut. And repeat the same for the other sleeve. And here you have your 2 sleeve pattern pieces. Next, cut 2 elastic bands measuring half the circumference of your upper arm. These will help to form the ruffles on the top of the sleeve. Now begin by stitching the shoulders together. Next, hem the armhole curve of the dress. And this is how it should look. And repeat for the other armhole. Then stitch the sides of the dress together, right sides together. Now for the sleeves, create a casing to insert the elastic through at the top of the sleeve. Measure and fold your desired width and pin in position. Once you're happy, stitch that in place and it should look like this. Now create another tunnel for the lower part of the sleeve. Your sleeve should now look like this. Now insert your previously measured elastic through the top part of the sleeve. I used a safety pin to help me do this. Once you're done, stitch the ends in place. Your top half of the sleeve should now look like this. Next, measure your arm circumference and cut out another 2 elastics for the lower part of the sleeve. Again, insert using a pin and secure the ends in place. Once you're done, fold the sleeve right sides together and stitch the side of the sleeve. You should now have your complete sleeve. Now repeat for the other side. To attach the sleeve onto the dress, match the lower armhole seam lines together and pin in place. Now pin the rest of the sleeve in place, just like so. Once you're happy, you can stitch this in position. And this is how it should look. Now repeat the same process for the other side. To finish the neckline, cut out a 1-inch strip and position this on the neckline right sides together. Pin to secure in place. Then stitch in place close to the neckline edge. Once you're done, fold the strip within on itself twice and top stitch all the way around. Finally, hem the dress to complete it, and here's your final look. I really love how this dress turned out. It's so elegant and so feminine as well. Thank you so much for all your support. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.